Imagine you're peacefully playing your favorite video game and you have completed many quests. You may have even stumbled upon some random events that you will hardly ever see again. So it's been great, and in your mind you're already saving your progress, turning off your PC or console, and going to sleep. Then, all of a sudden, the game is crashing and you're losing the progress you've made for the last 3 hours. Sounds nasty, doesn't it? Well, this intimidating case could be a result of bugs inevitably introduced at the stage of game development. That's okay when developers have bugs in their games before a release. Programmers and beta testers are likely to find and fix bugs before the end users put their hands on a game. But chances are, gamers will still face some annoying bugs not noticed by a team of developers. There are many options how to make your code safer. One of them is static analysis. Yeah, I know you were waiting for this, weren't you? Anyway, in some cases, it's a helpful thing. So let me show you how to use it with Unreal Engine projects. First of all, let's go to Settings. To do this, open an Extensions menu in Upper Toolbar, then click PVS Studio, Options. Here we need Specific Analyzer Settings tab. Set option Auto Let Unreal Engine Lock to True. This option loads analysis result file when analysis is done right into Visual Studio, where you can observe all found errors. Now let's open Don't Check Files tab. Here I'm going to exclude some source files from analysis. Unreal Engine auto-generates C++ files which end with GenCpp. Their analysis is pointless, so we'll exclude them using file name masks. Here I'm entering GenCpp. Also, I don't want to see any files from Unreal Engine itself in my analysis report. It could happen because some headers from the engine itself may be used in my project. Here I'll choose the second option, how to exclude files, path masks. This way I will exclude specific directories from the analysis. Let's enter engine source and return to editor. And the final and important step we need to do is adding a special flag for our build command. So I click on my project and choose properties. Then click and make and see two options, build command line and rebuild all command line. Add the flag Static Analyzer PVS Studio to both. To start analysis, let's rebuild our project. After completing, we've got a notification. If nothing happened, don't worry and click on Show PVS Studio Output window in the PVS Studio menu. As you have noticed, we analyze only compiled files. So, after editing a couple of files, we don't need to rebuild the whole project for a check. Just click on Build and see warning only for edited files. There's also a legacy way to run analysis. It can be convenient if your version of Unreal Engine is older than 4.20. It's based on our CL Monitor tool. First, we must start a monitoring server. To do this, write CL Monitor monitor. Now it's time to rebuild project you want to analyze. Compile monitoring system will catch every compiler invocation and remember them to analyze. After build completing, we must save a compilation dump for analysis. So use CL Monitor again. Choose Save Dump mode this time and write the path to dump file with the D flag. Now start the analysis. Call CL Monitor again, choose Analyze from dump mode, specify the dump file with the D flag again, and the path to analysis results with the L flag. Let's load this report in Visual Studio. Go to Extensions and Upper Toolbar, click PVS Studio, open Save, open Analysis Report. And now found your one. Now you can check analysis results the same way as in previous method. So as you can see, it's quite simple to use PVS Studio with Unreal Engine projects. Anyway, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll really appreciate that. See ya!